You said after that victory at the top of Alpe d'Huez that this is the stuff of dreams, to win on the most iconic climb perhaps in the cycling world. Has it sunk in yet?
It really hasn't. No, it's you know, to win 2 stages back-to-back mountaintop finishes, the second one being Alpe d'Huez in the yellow jersey, it's just like that doesn't happen, you know. It's and the thing with the tour is there's always another stage the next day. There's always another race to sort of focus on, and you just move on so quickly. Like obviously that night you can sort of relax a little bit and enjoy it and have a little glass of champagne, but then you're straight back in the zone, you know, and you never let yourself drift too much off focus. And so maybe, well, certainly when, you know, Paris comes and the weeks after can really sort of reflect on it all.